I'm YUCa.
I'm Sui.
Oh, good. Hey, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. And here's my family, Mario and Luigi. Good, Mario and Luigi.
Cute.
Yeah, cute.
Cute.
So today, I'd like to introduce the best 5 autumn foods in Japan. And since Sui-chan and I are born in October, so we love autumn foods. And compared to hot and humid summer, autumn is often referred to in Japan as autumn for sports, autumn for reading, and autumn for appetite. And this is because there are so many good food harvested in this season. And also because the cooler weather makes everything easy to do. So I love the foods harvested during the time of the year. So please guess, what is the best 5 popular Japanese autumn foods here in Japan? Okay, let's start. Okay, number 5, the new harvested Japanese rice. And in autumn season, and the color of the rice field becomes golden brown. So it's like a beautiful golden brown carpet. The freshly cooked new rice is so fluffy and it stands up. So it's really cute. And of course, it's very yummy. Then number 4, Japanese pumpkin, kabocha. Although pumpkins at this time of the year are most often associated with Halloween, they can be transformed into a variety of dishes in Japanese cuisine as well. So it can be added in a miso soup or mashed into pumpkin salad or even transformed into a sweet treat. My favorite way to eat pumpkin is tempura. And I have a recipe video of it. You can see the trick to make a crispy tempura. So please don't forget to check it. Number 3 is chestnut. In this season, chestnut rice is really popular nationwide. I have a recipe on chestnut rice, so please check the video. Number 2, sweet potato. Like pumpkin, sweet potato is an ingredient that can be delivered from prepared foods to sweets. My son once brought a lot of sweet potatoes with him, and so we made sweet potato. It's sweet. I have a recipe, check. And also Daigaku Imo. It's also a caramelized sweet potato sweets in Japan. And especially in this season, I like to make a Tonjiru. It's a pork miso soup. Would you like to know recipe? Of course, I have a recipe here, so please check it out. Number 1, it's a grilled Pacific sauri. The name of Pacific sauri in Japanese means autumn, sword, and fish. So the shape of the fish is really long and thin, like a sword. It's easy to remember. In this season, the Pacific sauri is really fuzzy and it's so delicious. Yeah, now tasting time. Usually I taste the food that ranked the best one, but I couldn't find the Pacific sauri. It seems it's a bit too early. So I decided to make the chestnut rice. So let's taste the chestnut rice. Kuri Gohan. Itadakimasu. The sweetness of the chestnuts and also the rice, it's all matched. Very nice. Now sprinkle gomashio, black sesame and salt seasonings. So it all harmonized. So every autumn, my mother used to make chestnut rice. Maybe that's one of the reasons I like the fall. ごちそうさまでした。How was this best 5 autumn foods in Japan ranking? What is the image of autumn in Japan? For food or for scenery, etc. Please share your image of autumn season in Japan. I'm looking forward to reading your comments. And if you enjoyed this food ranking video and want to know more other ranking videos, please don't forget to push the like button down below. See you next time. Bye bye.